Welcome to today's session. Today I have received a surprise gift from my friend for my birthday. This is Amazon Echo Show 8. Actually this was an unexpected gift for me now, and I'm not aware of the product also. So I thought let me make a video to surprise her as well as the viewers. You can also view what the product is. It's a new entry in market, I think. I'm not aware about these products. I know I've heard about Alexa and I've heard about Amazon Echo Dots. I haven't seen them, or I haven't made a research, or I'm completely unaware of the product. Let's explore together. So that I have started my unraveling. As you all know, Amazon have packed it very well. You can find that. Initially I even thought it's gonna be like a cell phone. Then why this much huge box, I thought, but only after opening I understood it's like a mini TV. Wow, this could replace my laptop for binge watching. I couldn't cut well. Actually, Alexa comes in 2 languages, Hindi and English. You can operate it whether speaking in English or Hindi, whichever suits you. That's a very good plus for the product. Here it is, we have opened. This is how it looks. They have given another packet, so it's very well protected. So carefully I'm opening it further. Ta-da! We opened it. It's just a cover. They have given like handle. Cute and compact one. The touch screen looks so clear. So this is it. The red one is just a glare. My dress is reflected over there. Actually, this is not a very latest product, it seems. This has been launched in 2019. I wasn't aware of that. And in this video I'm only doing unboxing because even I don't know how it is being used or anything about it in detail. I will first explore it, I will try using it, and I will make a video for those like me. You can also see if you have not bought. I will tell about the merits of the products, and if you find it useful you can also buy one. And those who have bought, if you don't know some features, you can know if I'm telling something new for you. Okay, let me use it first and I will explain you all. Thank you, bye. One more thing, do like, share and subscribe to my channel please. If you love it, you can subscribe. It's your wish.